onboard job management, and using Fast Reporter to combine data files for Base-24 testing with the PXM LXM. To create the first job where the data from the fibers 1 to 12 will be saved, enter the burger menu and then open the job section. Create a new job and give this a name which identifies which fibers are included in this test. Enter the range of fiber IDs that will be tested and save this job. Follow the same steps to create a second job with a name that identifies which fibers will be included in this test. It is very important to ensure that the exact same fiber IDs will be used, or else the files cannot be matched. Save this second job and complete your testing. Once the testing is complete, set the PXM to USB transfer mode and connect the device to your computer. Copy the results of both jobs from the PXM to your computer. In Fast Reporter, select the files from the first job and import them. Repeat this process with the files from the second job. In the OLTS tab, select the MF24 mode, select all files from both jobs, and the files with the same fiber ID will be paired automatically. If any files are incompatible, a warning will be displayed and the combined file will not be created. A report in Excel or PDF format can be created in the Report tab using the same method as MPO12 testing.